It is stinking hot. That's why we need to get this insulation in here. I noticed that this has still been in here, so I'm going to unscrew these first. This is where the window sills are. They should be glued in here pretty good now. Unscrew these, let it sit, and Tamara and I are going to start insulating the van, and it is cooking.
Oh, we got some 3M Thinsulate. This thing is like literally as tall as I am. Like, this is gonna take like a full hour just to get the wrapping off. Catch you when we actually get it open. Alright, well here's our first test piece. Is this stuff toxic?
Read it. It'll have the WMIS symbols on it. What does it say? Explosive and flammable.
fire.
What does it say?
Do I need my mask?
Use only in a well-ventilated area. So we just did.
Oh my God.
Never done this before.
Okay, can you like hold up this end? The ceiling? Yeah, you gotta take this board off. It's like in the way.
Okay.
Ah! Okay. Crap.
Cut it too short? Looks like we did.
Well, we can always add
On
like
both sides.
little pieces.
So we need to remeasure that right away here, so we don't do that again. It's okay. That's why we put one in first. No. So it needs to be 54.5.
Need to cut,
Sure is not.
but it does stick well. We got the 77 spray, not the 90.
Which I read online you're supposed to use the 90, but whatever. We're just going to try it with the 77.
What's wrong with the 77? It works.
You're saying that it's not sticky enough for when it gets too hot, it might fall off. I don't know. That's what I was reading on like a website, but I said, we'll just rock it.
So we got this rotary cutter. This works perfectly for cutting 3M because we've proved scissors aren't, like, not only does it hurt the hands, but it just like doesn't cut it very well, like all the way through. We got 2 more panels from the ceiling, right? Plus maybe the little back end, but we won't worry about that right now. And then we'll tackle the big pieces here, because this is where a lot of the material is going to go. Okay, we have most of the big panels on. Just have to do the one by the window here. And then the back doors, I don't know if we'll do them right away. But there's also these here to finish. Look at that. What we've done in an afternoon.
What we've done! What up? I've been annoying Tamara.
Just throwing stuff at me all day.
The battery saving feature. So with that, Tamara is putting up the last piece of the ceiling for our insulation. And we got lots left to do on the walls. The little pockets on the sides. Right here. All along here. But it's kind of substantial now. Now it's starting to come together.
Okay, well, one thing that I'm finding out about this insulation, it is very time consuming to apply. Cutting it out takes so long too, and there is a lot of crevices and empty spaces that I haven't even gotten to. I'm just literally just doing the bigger parts so far on the tops, and I will eventually get around to doing the bottoms, but for right now, even sticking it into places like this is super hard because you're spraying the adhesive and you're trying to fit it into the spot, and like the glue and stuff is just sticking to everything. Like when you have it kind of folded, trying to stick it up, it's just kind of hard to maneuver in. And then of course areas where we did put the wood studs, it's going to be a little bit harder to get the insulation behind there, but we'll make it work somehow. And it seems like, I don't know if we ordered too much, but this is how much we have left, and we did a lot of the big panels already, so I guess we still have to do the back doors. And then here, I'm not looking forward to pulling that down again, but we ordered, I think I ordered the 60 linear feet because we have the extended. They said to order the 71, like 70 linear feet, but I went with less, and maybe we'll see. I don't know. We'll see how much we use at the end of it, but the measurements that are recommended may be a little bit off. I don't know. We'll see. So this is day 2 of the insulation. It's raining really hard outside, and so I have to have everything closed, so it's really dark in here. Plus the insulation is also darkening the van a lot too. But I've cut some of the upper pieces, so I'm gonna add them in right now.
So first of all, you realize she is just so business savvy. And also,
I'll say, Rob, is bravo to you, because what that is you identifying a trigger. And clearly your therapist is great.
Gold star from Trevor.
Hey.
Well, this is what we have so far. A lot of it is done. We have to still do the cabin area up there, and just like little crevices. Of course, the back doors. But yeah, oh man, this is the 3rd day. So much to do.